Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy and practical tutorial, we will learn how to insert different footers for each page in Microsoft Word quickly and professionally. This is especially useful for reports, books, projects, and official documents, where each page requires a unique footer such as a page titles, chapter names, or custom notes. In this video, we will discover the correct method using section breaks and footer settings so every page can have its own separated footer without affecting others. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. Now you can see here assignment, but here many page. Now I want to add footer to each page different. At first go to the first page last and go to the layout menu, click the break drop down menu, choose continuous. Now I break the all page one by one, or separated the all page one by one. Then go to the insert menu and double click on the footer option. Then go to the second page, click the link to previous option. Go to the third page, click link to previous option. Now I am right first page, back, then right second page, space, third page is channel. Then close the header and footer. Then zoom in this document. We can see we add the footer each page different. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.